Vila city.
There's a sweet little place where the people come around. Fresh fruit, big smile, sunshine in a jar. You me go drink juice, Blong Pikinini Bar. Mr. Cainton Milroy, man, Blong vision. Local entrepreneur with a healthy mission. And me no just sell them juice, but hey, me build them one brand. Fresh from the garden, clean like the island stream. Mango, popo, pineapple and lemon. Every cup tastes like island sunshine. No factory sugar, no additive style. Just nature's blessing with a Vanuatu smile. From the farmer's hand to the sound of a blender. Local produce lifting people up. Small business rising, heart full of fire. Pikinini Bar taking Vanuatu higher. Pikinini Bar, Freshness Blong Vanuatu.
Natural juice,
Where me good Blong you.
come drink, come smile.
Come for the natural taste. Healthy island living for everyone.
Pikinini Bar,
Long Vap tomorrow.